Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will learn about the meaning of baking. So let's start. Baking is a method of preparing food that uses dry heat, typically in an oven, but can also be done in hot ashes or on hot stones. The most common baked item is bread, but many other types of foods are baked. Heat is gradually transferred from the surface of cakes, cookies, and breads to their center. As heat travels through, it transforms batters and doughs into baked goods and more with a firm, dry crust and a softer center. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my videos.